Upgrade your speaker. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 5.25 inches aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 1/16, 129 mm. Not compatible with oversize 6.5 or 6.75 speakers. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. 1999 to 2008 BMW 3 Series vehicles front doors. Check fit guide in the images for full vehicle applications. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision designed for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SABW525 speaker adapters are the perfect solution for upgrading the factory front door 5.25 speakers to most 5.25 inches aftermarket speakers with up to a 5 1/16 top mount diameter into the factory speaker locations on a 1999 to 2008 BMW 3 Series vehicles. Made from high-grade ABS materials to ensure durability and longevity, and engineered for a precise fit for your new speaker install. We are so confident in the quality that we back the speaker adapters up with Scosche's lifetime tech support and our limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. O2 BMW 325i front speaker adapter kit. Paired this adapter with 5.25 replacement speakers for the front door speakers of my O2 BMW 325i, and they fit perfect. Easy to install. The hardest part was removing the door panel. So far very satisfied. Thanks.